ones of the crystalline frequencies within the sands upon which you sit. You spiritual warriors of the light enjoy the big crystals, do you not? The bigger the better. But be aware that within these sands there are also the crystals and minerals of Gaia. And it would be good for you to walk with your feet in the sand, walking with consciousness with every step that you take, walking with awareness of the energy of the Divine Mother in this place, which has always been expressed through Sekhmet, through Ma'at, through Isis. All aspects of the Divine Mother, of the Goddess, have been represented within the Egyptian goddesses, the aspects which some of you from other cultures have understood as the maiden, as the mother, and as the crone or wise woman. These have been represented through the goddesses of ancient Egypt in such beauty that your breaths will literally be taken away as you connect with these images on your journey. You may learn what they symbolize. You may study that which is termed Egyptology. But in truth, you may discern for yourself what the energies are simply